Welcome to Academics Infinity. Now, today we will discuss the topic that is linear equation two variables on graph. How to present the linear equation in the two variables of the graph. Let's take an example. Just x plus 2y is equal to 6. This is a linear equation and there are two variables x and y. And the coefficient of x is understood is 1 and coefficient of y is 2. And b, c value is the constant here. Let's put, just I am taking example here. The x is equal to 0. If we put the x is equal to 0, the value of y will become the 3. When we put the x is equal to 2, the value of y will become the 2. When we put the x is equal to 4, the value is 1, x is equal to 6, value is 0, and when we put the x is equal to 8, y is equal to negative 1. I am not here solving again. Just when you put the value of the x, the y will become 3 to 1, negative 1. So, in this case, our points here, first point is 0, 3, second point is 2, 2, third point is 4, 1, fourth point is 6, 0, and fifth point is 8, negative 1. Now we are going to plot this point on the graph. Here is a graph. X axis, y axis. X axis is also known as the abscissa, and y axis is also known as the coordinates. On the right hand side of the x-axis, we present the positive signs, positive real number, and on the left hand side of the x-axis, we present the negative real numbers. Here in the upward y, here we will show the positive sign of y, here we will show the negative sign of y, negative values of y. Here the positive value of y. Here we will show the positive value of x and the negative value of x. Now the first point is 0, 3. Here the point is 0, the origin of both x-axis and y-axis. We will take the same scale on both the sides. Just let's take a scale of 1, 1. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And negative 21, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. The gap between the values must be the same. Again on the y sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And on the negative side, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. And the first point is 0, 3. The x is 0, the y is 3. Here the x is 0 and y is 3. Here is a point 0 and 3. Next point is 2, 2. Axis 2, y is also 2. Axis 2, y is also 2. Here the point 2, 2. Next is point is 4, 1. Axis 4 and y is 1. Here the axis 4 and y is 1. Fourth point is 6, 0. 6, 0. Axis 6 and y is 0. Here the point 6 and 0. Axis 6 and y is 0. And last fifth point is axis 8 and y is -1. Axis 8 and y is -1. We've plotted all the points on the graph. Now we join all the points. Here there are 5 points. Start from this dot and at this dot we will see that it is a straight line. Linear equation in the two variables are always present in the straight line. See, from this point to this time, never we make like this, always make a straight line. So it is clear, linear equation in the two variable, if you present the linear equation in the two variables, then all the points will come on the single straight. I already discussed how to present the linear equation in two variables on graph. Now let's take some more examples. How to present these 3 examples on graph. Let's take first one, 2x is equal to 3y. We know that the linear equation of the two variables present in the mathematical model ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here the a is a coefficient of x and b is a coefficient of y and c is a constant value. In the first example, 2x is equal to 3y. We are taking the first example, 2x is equal to 3y. Here, this 2x is equal to 3y, this equation, now we will present in this model, in this mathematical form. How to present it? 2x minus 3y. C here is not given. We will take 0 is equal to 0. 2 is a is equal to the 2. The value of b is minus 3 and value of the c is equal to 0. Here 2x minus 3y plus 0 is equal to 0. And thereafter again we will present this equation on graph. Second is 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. In this equation, y is missing. The variable y and the coefficient by is totally missed. A is given, x is given, c is given, but by is not given. How to present this equation in this mathematical form? 2x plus b is not given, we will take the 0. Here again y. C is given minus 3 is equal to 0. Here the a is equal to 2, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to minus 3. take the x is equal to 0 and get the value of the y, x is equal to 1, then get the value of y, and we will present on the graph, and all the points on the graph will come on the single straight line. It will show that is a linear. Let's take another example. Third, 3y is equal to 3. Here the 3y is equal to 3. In this equation, ax is missing. Ax is missing here. Now again, this equation we have to present in this mathematical model. How to present it? A is missing, we will take 0, multiply x, plus 3y is given, plus c is equal to 0. When the 3 will come on the left hand side, it will become negative. Here the a is equal to 0, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to minus 3. Again afterwards, again we will present this equation on the graph in the same way which I have already discussed in this video. Now the rest of the topic is that how to present the following linear equation on the graph. Case number 1, we are taking the example here. The x minus 4 is equal to 0. In this above equation, it is linear, but here there is only the one variable or the other, that is the x. The y variable is not given. If there is only one variable, then it is simple that x minus 4, x is equal to 4, there is only the one solution. We already discussed that in case of the one variable, the x has only the one solution. Here, if we treat this equation is one variable equation, then x will be the 4. And how to present on the graph? We will present only on the number line. Here, the line is here. This is x 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here as x is 4, this is a point here. We present on the number line just when there is only the one variable. We can't present on the proper graph. We can't present the y-axis. No need to present the y-axis here. If we treat the above equation is two variable, but here the y is not given. But we know that the two variable always present in some standard form, that is ax plus by is plus c is equal to 0. This mathematical model we already discussed. Here the x is minus 4. X minus 4 is equal to 0. Here the x, c is given, but b is not given. We know that which coefficient is not given? B. Treat it as 0. Y. A is not given, we will treat the 1 and is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is not given in this equation, we will assume 0. C is given minus 4, we will put the here minus 4 is equal to 0. So the linear equation in the two variable we present like this. But how to present this on the graph? On this graph, 1x plus 0y minus 4 is equal to 0. Here the y is not given and the value of the b is not given, we will change the 0. C is minus 4. Only x is given, the value of a understood is 1. When we solve this, x plus 0 minus 4 is equal to 0, x is equal to 4. The value of x is 4. The value of b is 0, but we don't know the value of the y. The value of b is 0 because not given, but value of y is infinite. But the solution of this is 0. So maybe when the x is 4, the value of y is 1, the value of y is 2, 3, 4, maybe negative 1, maybe negative 2, maybe negative 3. This is a line here. We will treat the A and B. A and B line is parallel to the y-axis at a distance of 4 units to the right of y-axis. AB line is a line parallel to the y-axis. It's just parallel to the y-axis at a distance of 4 at a distance of 4 units to the right of y-axis. This distance is 4 units. So AB is a line parallel to the y-axis at a distance of 4 units to the right of y-axis. Here the y is not given, but the solution of the b and y is becomes 0 because the b here is 0. So we don't know the value of the y. Maybe the value of y 1, 2, 3, 4 infinite, because here the line never ends. So new line become that is a AB, which is just parallel to the y-axis at a distance of 4 units to the origin of 0, and you can say to the right of the y-axis. X plus 4 is equal to 0. In the case first we will discuss the example x minus 4 is equal to 0. Same, if you take the x plus 4 is equal to 0, if you want to present, if there is only the one variable, how to present this on graph? If there is two variable, how to present this quotient on the graph? If there is only one variable, it is clear that there is only one solution. That is, x has only the one value, that x is equal to minus 4. It is simply present on the number line. On the left hand side of the x, that is negative 4. Here is a negative 4. But if you consider the two variables, here the y is not given. First we will present the linear equation in two the mathematical model, and we will already discussed how to present the linear equation in the mathematical model. We will fit this equation, this question into the two variable mathematical model. How to? X is equal to x plus 4 is equal to 0. Two variable linear equation, we know that ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here a is 1 because a is not mentioned, coefficient of x is not mentioned, b is not given, we will take the 0, c is given 4 is equal to 0. Here the value of the x when y is 0 is equal to -4. How to present it on the graph? In the same way, -1, -2, -3, -4. One, two, three, four. -1, -2, -3, -4. Here the x is -4. This is the point here. B and y. B is 0. But y is not given. Y may be the 1, maybe the 2, maybe the 3, maybe the -1, maybe the -2, 3, 4, infinite. We don't know the value of the y here. But we know that whatever the value of the y, the solution will become 0. Because the value of the b is 0 here. It means again straight line will make here assume that A and B is a line. A B is a line parallel to the y-axis at a distance of 4 units to the left of the y-axis. This is the left hand side. AB is a line parallel to the y-axis at a distance of 4 units to the left of y-axis. To the left of y-axis, to the origin of 0, both the same. To the origin of 0, to the left of y-axis, same. So it is clear that when b is 0, the solution becomes 0 after multiplying the y, and the new line will become AB, which is parallel to the y-axis at a distance of 4 units to the left of y-axis. So is equal to 0. If there is only the one variable, if above equation is only one variable, it means there is only the one solution. It means the value of the y is equal to 4. Only one solution. And you can say there is a unique solution. Y is equal to 4. How to present the y is equal to 4 on the number line? We know that this is a 0 point, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is a y. Y is equal to 4, that is y is equal to 4. I present this on number line. But if you treat, there is a two variable in this equation. But in this equation only the x is, y is given, x is not given. It means the coefficient of x here again 0. First we will present this equation in the mathematical form of the two variables. We all know about the mathematical form of two variables. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. As per the above example, y minus 4 is equal to 0. Here the a is not given, we will treat the 0. X plus y. Understood, the coefficient of y is not given, we will take the 1 plus c. 4 is equal to 0. Okay, we will solve that x is y is equal to 4. How to present it on the graph? In the same way, x One, two, three, four. Here the y is equal to 4. But x is not given. X value of a is 0, but x is not given. But the solution after multiplying the a is 0. Maybe the x1, maybe the x2, maybe the x3 or infinite value, we don't know. Maybe the x1, maybe the x2, maybe the x3, maybe the x4, maybe the x minus 1. It means it will become a straight line. So AB is the line. Here AB is a line parallel to the x-axis at a distance of 4 units above the x-axis. AB is a line parallel to x-axis at a distance of 4 units from the above of x-axis. Above of x-axis or origin of x-axis. So it is clear that the y minus 4 is equal to 0. Then the linear equation y minus 4, it will become straight line, and AB is a straight line is parallel to the x-axis at a distance of 4 units above the x-axis. We will take, in place of y minus 4, we will take the y plus 4 is equal to 0. If we treat above is one variable, if you treat above is two variable, how can you present this equation on the graph? First case, y plus 4 is equal to 0. If you treat the one variable, there is only the one solution. That's y minus 4. That's y is equal to minus 4 has only one solution. In case of the one variable, we know that the value in x bar is unique, is only one. How to present on graph on the number line? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. Here the y is equal to minus 4. This is the point of y is equal to minus 4. If we treat the y plus 4 is equal to 0, two variables, two variable equation must be present in the mathematical form. We know that in mathematical form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here y plus 4a is not given, multiply x is equal to 0. Y is given, but the coefficient of y is not given. Understood, the coefficient of y is 1. The value of a is not given. We will take 0. Here x plus 4 is equal to 0. Here y is equal to minus 4. How to present this on the graph? In the similar way, ax, the value of a is 0, but the value of x is infinite. We don't know the value of the x. Maybe the 1, maybe the 2, maybe the 3, maybe the 7, maybe the 9, maybe the negative, maybe the 0, any value, but we don't know. But the solution after multiplying this, it will become 0. How to present it on the graph? In the similar way, y is equal to minus 4. Here the minus 4. Here the y is equal to minus 4, but we don't know the value of the x here. But the solution after multiplying the x is 0. So maybe the value of the x1, maybe the value of x2, 3, 4, maybe the negative 1, it means it will become a straight line. Again, same situation. AB is a line parallel to the x-axis at a distance of 4 units to below of the x-axis or the below of the horizon. So it is clear that where the y plus 4 is equal to 0, then AB is a line parallel to x-axis at a distance of 4 units the below of x-axis. Now this is the last topic here. Y plus 4 is equal to 0. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Academics in Infinity, and please bell button for